All right, guys, welcome back to another video. And as you guys can see from the title, we got the new wheels for the Beamer. Finally, after like a whole year, pretty much. I've been looking for these wheels for a whole year. I had to change them from the accident that I got into. But the junkyard that I got the two in the front from only had two. And no other junkyard that I went to had the other ones. But luckily I found some guy. Well, I didn't find him. Somebody on my Snap. I posted it on my Snap, and somebody on my Snap had him on their Snap, and he hit me up saying he had the wheels. And luckily he came all the way from Palm Coast to bring them to me, so shout out to him. I had Snap in here in a minute. But yeah, let's get these things mounted. I already got the tires already. I just went and got these brand new at the warehouse. I don't use used wheels or used tires. For all y'all cheap people out there, y'all shouldn't do that either. But anyways, these two on the top are the best two, I believe, with the least amount of curb rash. They're like actually really good. Like they're almost like new. Only thing it has is that little bit of curb rash right here. And I honestly can get that fixed if I wanted to. I got my buddy down the road, he could fix these for me, but on some real shit, fuck that. These bitches gonna go on here just like this. All right, so I'm not gonna teach you guys how to put on wheels, so I'm just gonna hit y'all with a time lapse. There's number two. They're so light. I love how light these wheels are. Better for drifting. Better for low power cars, put it that way. All right, guys, I had to turn the radio off. Now we're gonna balance the wheels. We're going to balance them. So first we gotta find the cone that goes on the inside. Nope, that one's too small. So it's gonna be this one. Try it out. Yep. Put him on there. Lift him up. Boink. Take your middle piece out. Get this thingy right here. Where's the other piece at? Well, I guess since I don't know that piece at, and I'm not about to look for it. I'm gonna take him back off. Take him back off. I'm gonna put him on first. Put this through the front, hopefully it works. I don't want to scratch my rims up. Boom. And we're gonna get this and this piece. I'm using a lot of strength right now trying to hold this wheel up and back and grab this stuff. All right, guys, wheel 2 is done. All right, guys, so the Beamer's in. We're gonna go ahead and swap this thing over now. We in there. I gotta move it though so the back can settle back down. Let's move it real quick. All right, so I mean, it didn't go down that much. And I definitely want the back to be down a little bit more. So we're probably gonna adjust these coilovers real quick and get it back, get it kind of like the front a little bit more. Not really digging how it looks in the back. It's too high. Way too high. This side is a little bit better though. The other side is pretty high. Alright y'all, so we just got done putting the wheels on. Now me and my brother are about to go to the junkyard because I need the light control module out of here. So I pretty much can't control my lights anymore. My headlights come on and my tail lights come on whenever the key's on, and they're not supposed to do that. And I guess just the light control module because nothing on my dash lights up. So we're gonna go to the junkyard and see if I can pull one from one of theirs. If not, I had already ordered it from the dealership. It was like freaking $600. Luckily, I didn't have to pay that amount, but that's a lot of freaking money just for a light control module. But you guys will see why when I take it out. It goes way in the dash. Put your seatbelt on, ho. Just call me a hoe on camera. I just called you a hoe on camera. What the heck? Real quick. Oh, I forgot I'm low. I forgot about this freaking junkyard, how you get in here. Oh, man. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. We scrubbing. Alright guys, so that door is killing it for me right now. No cap. Oh fuck. I left my freaking card at the shop. Bruh, that nigga lying. No, I left my card at the shop. I know, but Christine, she know me. She'll take mine. I can call Alexis and have him give me the number. Alright, we are here now. Hi, Christine. Hello. I have my camera on today. I hope you don't mind. It's gonna be a little bit. I want to go look at one of the E-46s in the back. I think I need the light control module out of there. Okay. Is it fine if I go back there and... Oh, another thing. I forgot my wallet on the way here. But if I can give you my card number, can I still pay that way? Since you know me. Okay. Look at the kitty cat. Look, sorry. Knocked out. Come on. Damn, look at this muddy shit. Oh, we came out here on the wrong fucking day for this shit. We came out here on the wrong day with no boots on. I don't know why I came here with no boots on. Oh my goodness. This is gonna be a nightmare right here. You fell? Tweaking ass Shari. Bust his fucking ass. Hopefully this E is still over here. Oh, it is still over there. Wow, it would be right over there. They moved it deep as a bit and put this sorry ass Mercedes in front of it. I probably won't even be able to open the goddamn door over there. Goddamn spiders and shit. Goddamn. I'm about to fall through the goddamn Mercedes trunk and shit. Hell yeah, I fall through this bitch and die. It's like some Final Destination shit right here. Fuck! The car's so goddamn hot. Give me the Phillip, please. Oh my gosh, Florida is so disrespectful for this heat right here. This car shit, I said the Phillip, nigga. fudger. Oh my gosh, the car is burning my back. Here.
That's what you needed?
Bro, what the hell you doing? Here. Come on, bro. All right, guys, light control module, check. Hopefully this mother freaker works. Cause I did not just fuck. Burn my goddamn hands up like that for no reason. Climb through the goddamn jungle, get bit by spiders and snakes, fight with lions and shit, and tall grass, just for this shit not to work. All right, probably not the best idea, sorry. Oh, yeah. Too much water. Too much goddamn water. We came right in here and got that bit. This I'm so glad this E-46 still was right here. Yes. All right, guys. So we're about to leave the junkyard right now. My GoPro died halfway through taking the harness out of that G. I had to stop because that was the wrong harness. That harness was for a manual car and I need an automatic harness. So I guess I'll be having to go to another junkyard where pretty much the one that I got the computer out of. I'm gonna go back to that one because it's a full car and probably take it out of that one. But as far as the Beamer, we got the lights working. We got our switch working. Our lights work now. Oops, my headlights don't work still. I found out what I'm gonna do for the headlights. I'm gonna do an LED conversion and take those HIDs out because they suck. So now I believe we can leave up out of here. And I will see you guys when I get back to the shop. All right, guys, so we're back at the shop, and as y'all can see, it keeps raining in Florida. I was gonna end this video by washing it up and give you guys a nice little tour of it being washed and nice, but it's raining like every single day. So I don't know when I'm gonna be able to give you guys that. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. At least we got a couple things done that we needed to get done. We got the wheels on it, everything is nice. That was the most part for the Beamer right there, getting the wheels on first for aesthetics, and then we're gonna do the axles next. But yeah, sorry guys, I wasn't able to wash it up and make it all clean and nice. But yeah, with that being said, make sure y'all smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Y'all could have been seeing these like days ago if y'all add me on Snapchat on Instagram. And yeah, thank you all for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one.